Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for the today we have one of our 454 500 horsepower engine combinations. We go over a little bit how this build is designed. Start out with the Gen 5 6 block with your 4-bolt main. Do the Eagle 454 rotating assembly. It's got the comp cams, hydraulic roller camshaft in here. For the cylinder heads, we chose to go with the Pro Comp aluminum cylinder heads. It's got the stainless steel roller rockers and the Manley push rods. It's got the Edelbrock air gap intake manifold. For the top end, we chose to go with the 800 CFM Edelbrock carburetor and the MSD Pro Build distributor. If you're interested in having one of these monsters built for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at ProformanceUnlimited.com. Let's take it over Donna. I think you guys will really enjoy this one.
Ready? Oh.